This is part 7 of 8 short videos in the Getting Started with Primescan 2 series. In this video, I show you how to create a lab order in Discord.
At this stage, I can place my order directly with my laboratory. To do that, I just need to go to order. The lab order has 4 steps. You will arrive directly at step number 2, thanks to the information we entered earlier when we create the tree. In step 2, service detail, select the preferred lab. The restoration type is already indicated, but I still need to enter the crown details. The type of service is automatically filled in.
You must specify the type of material, the shade guide you will be using, and the selected shade. If you have multiple shade specifications, you can add them later in the comments. So, now we select Continue.
In step 3, the scans are automatically loaded. If you don't have any additional files or comments, simply click Continue to proceed. If you need, you can upload more items by selecting Add More Files, or use your mobile phone or tablet by clicking Upload from Mobile Device and scanning the QR code. You also have the option to include comments to provide further context. Click on Continue. We arrive at the final step, finalize your order. Select the laboratory you would like to work with the delivery dates. If you would like to specify delivery time, please indicate this in the comment. Click on Place Order. Once the order has been placed, you will be redirected to this page, which displays the media you have sent, the details, and a chat feature that allows you to communicate instantly with your lab. We will send him a message to request that the prosthesis be delivered to the office by 8:30 a.m. You can add more media anytime. To return to the patient profile, click their name or go back to the main menu. You may also cancel the order by clicking Cancel Order. As you can see, this is a workflow that allows you to communicate all the necessary information to your laboratory and facilitates communication. You can add digital labs to your preferred labs by going into your practice profile, clicking on Preferred Lab, and then selecting Add Preferred Lab. Here, you can filter to show labs that are active on Discord, and for those that are not, you also have the options to invite them.
You have now seen how to create a lab order in Discord. In the next video, we will talk about Primescan 2 maintenance and more information resources.